Alright guys, so this is gonna be a retake video of the oh my god, I'm stepping on something. Of this Hampton base ceiling fan in the tool room, as I call it, probably in our bedroom, but there's some tools, but it's probably a storage room because how much stuff there is in it. Of this third floor of this 3-floor apartment house of this old house of Papa's house. Well, that used to be Papa's house until he died. And yeah, guys, let's get this started. Starting off with the close-up. Alright, here it is. The fan chain is really cool. There's a diamond to it. The light chain is standard. 3-way light kit. 4 blades. There's the motor. The Hampton Bay logo should be on the other side. Oh man, it's so hard. Like, look at all this stuff. I shouldn't probably be stepping, but on this. Yeah, there it is. You can see it. I don't know what the blades are. I mean, they look oak to me, but on the other side it is maybe dark oak. Maybe it's not reversible. They don't look reversible. The fan's sturdy and a top view of it. And here, guys, let's get this started now. If I can get this camera back in perfect placement. I had a hard time doing that before starting. Yeah. Oh wow, I basically nailed it. Maybe a little more. There we go. Cause, yeah, big fan. So let's start off with the light. And unfortunately, one of the bulbs is burnt out. It is on the dimmer. Alright, starting off with the low speed. I'm just realizing I don't have anywhere to sit in here, and I have to watch the fan, so and this fan does have a screepy bearing noise to it. Medium speed. Besides the scraping bearing noise, the fan is completely silent. In high speed, it gives off a chilling light noise, which is pretty loud. Here we go, high speed. Only a slight vibration and wobble to it on high. But it does give off quite a bit of air. and spin down. And this one's spin down is fairly short. See, it's already about to stop. Yep. Just stop. Alright. 0 to high. And there you have it, guys. That was a retake video of the Hampton Bay ceiling fan in the tool room slash other bedroom slash storage room in the third floor of this old 3-floor apartment house in this was Papa's house until he died. And I really hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Just gonna make sure I can stop the camera here. It's kind of tough to access button.